Places to visit in Paraguay. Asunción. A curious metropolis of more than 2 million people, Asunción is the beating political, economic and cultural heart of modern Paraguay. Encarnation. The best sands are found at the end of GOVT, groomed, managed and sunbathers alike. Ibiki National Park. Capuchin monkeys swing through the canopies while howlers scale the tree trunks at Ibiki National Park. Serene. Located at the base of Yaguaron Hill in the Yaguaron district of Paraguay Department, 48 kilometers from the capital Asunción. Erba. Travelers can expect a pretty maze of cobbled streets and alleyways where the lingering facades of colonial Spain still stand tall. Philadelphia. Philadelphia sits just on the edge of the Grand Chaco, where the forests and undulating hills of the region Oriental give way to the great boreal plains that form the very heartlands of the continent as a whole. La Santísima Trinidad de Perna. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, the most visited in the country no less, the spot is a fine example of a South American Jesuit reduction. San Bernardino. Barred off from the chaos of the capital by the great liquid curve of Lake Paraguay. Flag of Paraguay. The official symbolism of the flag is very rich. To mention only color symbolism, red stands for patriotism, courage, heroism, equality and justice, white for purity, firmness, union and peace, and blue for tranquility, love, knowledge, verity and liberty. Facts about Paraguay. Development and interaction of varying cultures of indigenous peoples in Paraguay and overseas immigrants who together have created the modern-day Paraguay. Along with Bolivia, Paraguay is the only other landlocked country in South America. The first railway line in South America, the Asunción Encarnación, was made by British engineers in Paraguay between 1858 and 1861. The lack of a coastline poses no problem to Paraguay. They have still amassed the largest navy of any landlocked country in the world. Paraguay receives almost 100% of its electricity from hydroelectric power. The Itaipu Dam, which is co-owned with Brazil, produces 75% of this. Paraguay is split in two by the Paraguay River and it is the second largest river in South America. The most tea drunk per head in the world is in Paraguay. Although nearly twice the size of the UK, Paraguay's population in 2015 was just over 6.5 million, barely 1/10 of the UK. Want a divorce? Before 1991 it was illegal. The capital of Paraguay is Asunción. The most popular sports in Paraguay are football and fishing. The Paraguayan guarani is the currency of Paraguay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.